Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, sir.
Okay, let us start. Remember, we have been learning data is source and compilation as a part of practical work in geography. So today we shall do some exercises. Now I shall present my screen. Okay, so this is the last part. And today is that okay 2/9/2021. So when you prepare a practical notebook, you must write that, okay, in the index as well as on the pages. So here we have activity 3. Okay, yesterday we conducted 2 activities. Okay, and so we have learned about calculation of index number, then these demographic ratios, how to calculate crude birth rate, crude death rate, and sex ratio we have discussed yesterday. So we have activity 3. So here, so this is the question: calculate literacy rate of the following districts of Manipur. Their population and number of literates are as follows. So this is the table. So before we start, can you tell me who is literate according to Census of India 2011? Who is a literate? Do you remember who is a literate person? Okay, I will tell you. So a person, okay, uh, attaining the age of the 7 and above, who can read and write and do arithmetic with understanding, is called a literate person. Okay, so with that definition, we shall calculate literacy rate. So here, this is the table: Manipur district wise, number of literates and population in the age group 0 to 6. So here districts are given. Okay, 9 districts are given according to Census of India 2011, and this is for the whole state, and these are the district codes. And this is the total population of each district of Manipur. Okay, this is the population of Churchandpur district. So this is for Vishnupur, and this column shows population in the age group 0 to 6. Say for example, for Senapati, population in the age group 0 to 6 is 45,442. Okay, and this is the number of literate for each district of Manipur. So you must remember that literate exclude children in the age group 0 to 6 years that were by definition treated as illiterate in the Census of India 2011. As per the definition given by the Census of India, okay, children in the age group 0 to 6 are treated as illiterate even though they can read or write, okay, or do arithmetic calculation. As per the definition, they are treated as illiterate. Then what to do? We have to subtract. Okay, so we have to subtract this population in the age group 0 to 6 from the total population of each district to find out the literacy rate. Okay, so here this is the formula you may be knowing. In India, literacy rate is the percentage of literate to the total population age 7 years and above. In the case of India, literacy rate is the percentage of literates to the total population is 7 years and above. That means literacy rate is equal to number of literates divided by population of the age 7 plus multiplying by 100. Okay, so simply this is the percentage of the number of literate to the total population minus this population in the age group 0 to 6. So this is the formula, and accordingly see here we are calculating literacy rate for each districts of Manipur. This is the calculation table. We have given one example here. For example, for Senapati district. Okay, so before applying the formula, what to do? As I told you, we need to add one more column. Okay, we need to find out population of the age 7 plus. Population of the age 7 plus, that is total population minus, it is given here, okay, total population minus population in the age group 0 to 6. That means we have to subtract this population from the total population. Okay, this population in the age group 0 to 6 to be subtracted from the total population of the district. And after that we have got this one. That means if we subtract 45,442 from 3,54,972, we have got 3,09,530. And so this is the number of literate given above. And after that, applying the formula, this is the literacy rate. So for example, for Senapati district, so here we have the number of literates. So number of literates is here. This is the number of literate for Senapati, 2,32,149 to be divided by this population of the age group. Population of age 7 plus is here. Okay, then to be multiplied by 100. Just we may try. Okay, 2, 3, 2, 1, 4, 9. Okay, divided by 309,530 equal to multiplied by 100. That is 75%. Okay, or we can do like this: 2, 3, 2, 1, 4, 9 multiplied by 100 divided by 309,530. That is 75%. Okay, so in this way for every district we have to find out. So first we have to subtract this population in the age group 0 to 6, 18,072 from the total population of Tamenglong. Then after that we have got this population of age 7 plus. Then applying the formula, so the literacy rate of Tamenglong is 70.40. Likewise we have Churachandpur. So this is the literacy rate for Churachandpur district, 84.29. I think this is the district having the highest literacy rate in. Okay, here we have one more district, Imphal West. That means Churachandpur comes after Imphal West. Any question, boys and girls? Are you clear? You may try. Okay, so you may download any data from the website, and you can try. You can apply the formula. Any question, boys and girls? So next we have this index number. If you don't have questions, let me proceed. Do you remember what index number is? What does index number tell to us? What does index number tell to us? Okay, boys and girls, do you hear me? Are you connected?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I will tell you index number tells changes, okay, changes of something over a period of time. And so that one we have discussed earlier, and today we shall learn how to calculate it. So we have activity 4. The following table shows production of iron ore in India. Calculate index number to show changes over given period of time. That means index number shows changes of something, of any variable over period of time. Okay, so this is the question. India production iron ore. So here we have year 1996-97 production 68.1 million tons. Then 1997-98 75.7, 2002 and 3 96.9 million tons. So this is the question. And so here we have the formula. Okay, so simple aggregative method is the most commonly used method for calculation of index number. Okay, simple aggregative method, this is the most common one for calculation index number. Okay, and it is also used in our practical textbook. So here this is the formula. Okay, P01 equal to summation P1 divided by summation P0 multiplied by 100, where P01 represents index number of the current year. So this is the index number, and the summation P1, so this is the total of the current year, and summation P0, this is the total of base year. That means base year is here. Okay, base year is here at the denomination. So here applying the formula C, according to the formula, so this is the base year. Okay, 1996-97 is the base year for this table, and the remaining years are the current years. So these are the current years. So for the first one, since it does not have previous year, so we have to multiply 68.1 divided by 68.1 multiplied by 100. That is here the index number is 100. Okay, and for the 1997-98, just applying the formula. Okay, here we have what? We have this base year here, and this is the current year. Okay, so the base year value is here 68.1, and current year is here 75.7, multiplied by 100, that is 111. Okay, so we may try that is 75.7 multiplied by 100 equal to this, and divided by 68.1, that is 111.16. Okay, so this is the index number. So similarly, see this base year remains unchanged. You must know that. Okay, so this is the base year value. So this is the base year. Okay, and in the numerator we have the current year. So in the numerator we have the current year. Okay, the current year value, and accordingly we have this index number or indexes. Okay, so this is how index number is calculated. Okay, and so here the changes is given in terms of indexes. Okay, and whether the changing is regularly going on or whether it has fluctuation, just after observing the values you can understand. Okay, so up to here, any question? Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Next we have preparation of frequency distribution table. This is very easy one. You have, I think you might have done in the lower classes as well as in the economics class, also in class 11. And see here, here with the we have activity 5, prepare a statistical table from the following weekly wages of 100 workers of factory A. The name of factory is A. Okay, and here the number of worker R is 100, and so these are the daily wages. So these values are the daily wages. So before we prepare frequency distribution table, see, we have to find out the smallest value and the lowest value. Okay, see, in this table the lowest value is 23. Okay, the lowest value is 23, and the highest value is 107. Okay, and the difference in the highest and lowest value is 84. Yesterday we just learned about the finding of range. Okay, maximum value minus minimum value, that is the range. Then after that, what to do? If we take a class interval of 10, then 9 classes would be formed. Just see here. Here the largest value is 107, then the smallest value is 23, that is minus 23. So here 84, this is the range. And let us say here we have selected, okay, a class interval of 10. Then if we divide it by 10, okay, then we have got I.4. That means after rounding, so in this case rounding can be taken in any way. Okay, so we have got 9 classes, and the first class should be taken as 20 to 30 instead of 23 to 33 as per the principles of classification. Okay, we have to take 20 to 30 even though the lowest value is 23. So we must take 20 to 30 as the lowest class. So in this way, here we have the class. Okay, these are the classes telling the wages: 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40, 50, 100, 110. Okay, in this way. Then I think you will be knowing this is in exclusive method. Okay, this is exclusive method, and that is why 30 should not be included here. 30 should be included here, as we learned yesterday. And after that, we have to count, or we may put here numerical raw data can be put here. So between 20 to 30 we have 23, 27, 28, 24, 24 two times, 26, 27, 26, 29, 27, 24, 26, 29. So we have got 13. Okay, 13, that is just this is 5, then 10, 1, 2, 3, 13. Okay, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 1, 2, 3. That means 13. Okay, likewise, so here in this class 30 is included. Just see here, we must include 30 here in this case. Okay, and so we have got frequency of 11, and here also in this class 60 is included, not here. Okay, not here. And after that, so when you add all the frequencies, then it must be 100, because as per the equation the total number of workers is 100. So you must tally with this. as per the question, the total number of workers is 100. That means after adding all the frequencies, the total number of frequencies should be 100. Otherwise, your table is wrong. Okay, so we need to verify it. And one more activity about the preparation of frequency distribution table. So this is inclusive method. Okay, activity 6, represent the following data of present the following data of percentage marks of 60 students. Okay, in the form of frequency table with 10 classes of equal weight, one class being 40 to 49. That means just to know, okay, you that it should be inclusive method. So they have given one exemplar. Okay, so they are just mentioning this class because just to let you know that it should be, the table should be of inclusive method. And the class wide should be 10. That means 0 to 9, 10 to 19, like that. Okay, so here when we find the lowest value and the highest value, the lowest value is 0. Okay, the lowest value is 0, and that is why we have to start from 0. Okay, the lowest value is 0, and therefore the first class interval should be 0 to 9. We must start from 0, and the highest value is 93. Okay, the highest value is 93. Just you may find. And accordingly, see here we have got these classes 0 to 9, then 10 to 19, 20 to 29, then 90 to 99. So since this is inclusive, 9 should be included here. Okay, this is inclusive method, and hence 9 should be included here in this case. Unlike the exclusive method, 9 should be here. So how many values we have got? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that means we have 4 tallies. Frequency is 4. Then 10 to 19 we have 3, 1, 2, 3, then 3, so on. Okay, and after that here when we add the frequency, we have got the 60 as the n. That is the total number of frequency, summation f. Okay, that is summation f is equal to 60, or it is also symbolized as n. Okay, n is equal to summation f, that is 60. In this case also it must be tallied. Okay, the number of students here is 60, and that is why when we add all the frequencies, it must be 60. Otherwise wrong. Okay, so this is how frequency distribution tables are made, prepared in exclusive as well as inclusive series. Okay. Any question, boys and girls? Are you clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so you may try just in the textbook also you'll find questions, and you may practice yourself. Okay, and this is the end of chapter 1. And today also I reminded office people to procure a practical notebook. And I think when you are coming here for submission of the answer books, at that time you may collect. We shall inform you. Okay, so for today, thank you very much for joining my class. Thank you all.